Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Russia started war with Ukraine. Russia has long considered Ukraine to be within its historical sphere of influence, viewing its independence as a threat to its own security. Ukraine's growing aspirations for closer integration with Western organizations, like NATO and the European Union, significantly fueled tensions. This move towards the West was seen by Russia as a direct challenge to its regional dominance and a step towards undermining its strategic interests. Historically, Russia has often downplayed Ukraine's separate national identity, viewing the two as one people. The expansion of NATO into Eastern Europe following the Cold War was consistently seen by Russia as an encroachment on its borders and a violation of past understandings. This led Russia to demand specific security guarantees, including a formal commitment that Ukraine would never be allowed to join the NATO military alliance, which was a major point of contention. The conflict escalated significantly in 2014 with Russia's annexation of Crimea and its support for separatists in Ukraine's eastern Donbas region. Leading up to the full-scale invasion, Russia made unsubstantiated claims that Ukraine was committing genocide against Russian-speaking populations. President Putin publicly stated that the invasion, which he termed a special military operation, aimed to demilitarize and denazify Ukraine, framing it as a necessary measure for Russia's security. The full-scale invasion triggered immediate and widespread international condemnation, leading many countries to impose severe economic sanctions on Russia. The humanitarian impact has been immense, with millions of Ukrainians forced to flee their homes, creating a significant refugee crisis across Europe. The conflict continues to reshape global geopolitics and international relations. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.